In front of me is a NOKIA 2.2 and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings, and from here go into Settings or Storage, and you should see your SD card at the bottom, so tap on it, and once you're in the SD card itself, you want to tap on the three dots right here and go into Storage Settings, where you should see Format option. So tap on that, it will give you a message that you will lose all the data by performing this. So if there's anything on that card that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it. But assuming you have done that or you don't care, tap on Format SD card and the process will begin. That's a fairly quick one, it only takes a couple seconds. And once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used, as it should be, well, right now. Stop on done and you're finished. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.